clear out, we'll take the diaphragm. A broken pair of glasses here, and I just have some super glue. I was going to use the Gorilla Glue, which usually works pretty good, but it has hardened, and I only used it a few times, which kind of sucks. This is a brand new tube. These are inexpensive. The problem with this super glue is that it's thin. Now what happened with these glasses is they got stepped on, and you can see this pulled right out. So this does fit in there, and it fits pretty good. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get in here and make sure that this fits before we put the glue in. I'm going to make sure we see exactly how we want it to bond. Okay. So then what we're going to do is we're going to put a little super glue, and we do have to be careful because this is right on that little joint, so we do not want to get it up. We don't want to get it up here so it's unable to bend. So we're going to put the glue on. And this is a little bit runny, so you have to be careful. And then we're going to make sure we get a little glue to both pieces. And now that we have that, we are just going to take our glasses and we're going to push them together, and then you're going to hold it tight. Make sure you get it into place. And if you want, what you could do is you can put baking soda as a good speed dryer for super glue. But you're just going to make sure you have these glasses tilted so that it's not going into your glasses. And then I'm just going to hold this here. So then while I was holding this down, we put some baking soda down and we actually brushed it on. So once we've got all that baking soda there, then we just pushed it into place. That speeds up the drying process of the super glue. So this has dried. It's still wet a little bit on the inside, but we've dried the outside, and then we just ran our finger across there to make sure there weren't any sharp edges. I'm gonna have to let this set up for the day. Okay, so these glasses were broken, and it broke right along the plastic, and you'll see that. I already have that in the video. I put some super glue down. I pushed this together. Make sure it fits before you do anything, but we also put some baking soda down, so you're gonna just put some baking soda down. And then we pushed this together. While I was pushing it in tight, the super glue was coming out through the seams. And then we just took that baking soda and we just put it right on top of all the way around it. And we just pushed it down into the glue. And then that actually speeds up the processing, the hardening time of that super glue. Once we have that, we do have to let it sit now for at least 24 hours so it can fully cure, because the inside of this still needs to set. And then the last step, I've already done it here, and as you can see, you can't really tell, but over here, where you put that baking soda in the super glue, you're gonna have gone over it several times. So you're gonna put super glue, baking soda, then you're gonna go super glue, baking soda, super glue, baking soda, and then you're gonna like file this down, make it kind of smooth, and then you're gonna finish it off with, like this is dark, so I'm using a black permanent marker, and you're just gonna go around because it's gonna be white, and then as you can tell, that side and this side, it's pretty hard to tell. So hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.